To grow tomatoes, you can either purchase seedlings that are ready to transplant or purchase seeds and sow them. If growing from seed, sow under shelter from February to March. Cover with soil mix and water. Place your seedlings in front of a window or in a warm greenhouse. When your seedlings have sprouted 5 or 6 leaves, transplant and keep under a cold frame. For that, fill the nursery pots with soil mix, make a hole in it and slide your seedling in. Plant the nursery pot in the soil under your cold frame and water. You can also keep your seedlings inside your house before transplanting them to the ground in spring. The first step of this final transplanting is to snip off leaves from the lower part of the stem. This portion of the stem must be buried and will sprout roots, and plant growth will speed up. Mix soil conditioner, organic soil conditioner or compost with your garden soil. Dig a deep hole and layer the bottom of the hole with this mix. Place 3/4 of the tomato plant stem in the hole and backfill. Sink the stake near the stem, wrap your stem around the stake and water without getting the leaves wet. Since tomato plants are very vulnerable to diseases, you can spray Bordeaux mixture on leaves to prevent this. Spread mulch around the base of the plant. Prune your plant by pinching all the buds that develop where leaves part from the stem. These are called suckers. Retain the main stem and the flowers. Later on, cut above the 4th or 5th bunch of flowers. Harvest your tomatoes when fully red and mature.